Hello my beautiful people, and this hack is super crazy. Not wasting much time, I'm gonna try this scarf top. As you can see, this 2023, the scarf top is very fashion in. So in summertime especially. So I fold this scarf like this and I'm gonna wrap on me. So just so you need just a bralette or bra, whatever you prefer. So and this on the bralette or bra you can wrap your scarf like this. So I bought this scarf from Stockman. This is a silk short scarf. You can use any kind of scarf easily. So you just fold this scarf, so put this like this, these two ending. So now the front is look like this. More creativity. So what I'm doing, that I'm folding this inside for creating a beautiful shape. Yeah, that's it. So this end point, you can see this clearly. I hope this. So yeah, so again I'm gonna tuck this for giving this beautiful pretty neckline. So wow, you can see this very clearly. I'm gonna wear a white shirt. So I just wear this white shirt. Then you can see this how it will look. Wow, it is totally the game changer, right? Oh, I bought this white shirt from H&M and this is super comfy. Ooh, oh my god, this is insane. So yeah, front open, beautiful white shirt. So yeah, that's it. So now I'm ready to go. Yay. So bye bye, see you in my next video with another fashion hack.